Hey everyone, welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Let's dive into what happened in the stock market yesterday. So, after a brutal 3-day rout that wiped out a good chunk of this year's gains, US stocks finally saw some green yesterday. The Standard & Poor's 500 and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite each rose about 1%, leading the session. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also had a good day, closing up around 0.8%, which is roughly 300 points. Monday was rough. Stocks got hammered as Wall Street reacted to fresh concerns about the U.S. economy and the labor market. The Standard & Poor's 500 had its worst day since 2022, marking the worst start to any month since 2002. Over the past 3 sessions, the benchmark had shed about 6%, but yesterday's rally helped push year-to-date gains to around 10%. Wall Street's fear gauge, the CBOE Volatility Index, hit its highest level since the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic on Monday, but on Tuesday, it came back down to levels we often saw in 2022. Some of the market's biggest names, the Magnificent Seven, also bounced back. These stocks lost more than $650 billion in market cap on Monday, but had better fortunes yesterday. Nvidia led the way up with a rise of over 3.5%. Tesla and Microsoft each rose about 1%, while Meta jumped nearly 4%. Cryptocurrencies, which weren't spared from Monday's rout, also rose alongside the optimism. Bitcoin climbed back above the $55,000 level. Meanwhile, the global sell-off steadied too, with Japan's Nikkei index closing up over 10%. The next few days and weeks are crucial for what's coming next. After all, stocks still have the same problem they did on Monday: the Federal Reserve. The Fed is under mounting pressure to act, with around 3/4 of traders now expecting a 50 basis point rate cut at its next meeting. Well, that's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with more market updates. Have a great day.